Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we are here to help you get creative.
Yes, today we have our Ornament Craft Kit. It's box 1201. And
You may have noticed, we are exquisite fashionistas today.
We found these beautiful sweaters.
You like the neckline?
At the thrift shop. And, actually, after I put it on, I think it's kind of cute. But
it is kind of cute, but I don't like mine.
No, we're going to cut them up.
We're going to chop them up and use them.
We're going to make cable knit sweater hoop ornaments.
They're
today.
super cute. They've got a little bit of snowy green on them.
Yeah.
Maybe a bell.
Obviously, they're very cute because that's what they always are.
Right.
They're cute, but they're also easy. So let's get started.
Let's go. Oh, that feels better.
Graceful.
Whew. All right.
Prep.
It's too bad neither of our middle names is Grace.
I get it.
Time to craft. So we've got our luxurious pieces of fashion here.
Yeah.
That we've cut down. Now you just kind of have to, I think, look to see where you want this to happen on your sweater.
Decisions.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go off center.
Oh yeah?
No, I'm gonna do that. What are you doing?
I don't know.
I don't know if you want to twist
You
it.
should just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Just pick a spot. If you pick a spot and you want to pick another spot, just loosen it up and do it again.
There you go. You don't have to commit.
There's no commitment right at first, yes. And these are pretty thick, so.
Circle on the bottom. I think for me the most important part is going to be that it's straight up and down.
Mm-hmm. There are straight lines here, so. Oh, mine's crooked. Look at that. Try again.
So these hoops have a little Phillips head spot on them. So I think you need a screwdriver.
I think, yeah, because I can't turn mine anymore, but.
Let's see if I can find a screwdriver.
Okay. Good luck. Okay. Tighten away.
So much easier. So now we need to decide how much of that fabric we're going to flip it over. And I think if we just run a little bead of hot glue around the edge and just have enough fabric to glue that in. I might go on ahead and trim a little bit.
I'm definitely gonna trim. Trimmy trim.
Trimmy trim. Scissors.
I have scissors right here. That probably will be just fine.
Scissors for you. Scissors for me. And you need those white scissors.
Yep.
Scissors for you. Here you go.
I'm still working my way around. Okay, the tiny cricket scissors.
Hot glue time.
Oh, cute. Okay, I'll start.
Uh-oh, she did it.
Ow, and I did it again.
That was pretty neat on the back.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. That one's not sticking, so I'm just gonna need a couple more moments.
It's the back, Sarah.
I know, but it's worth the pain. Okay, done.
Clean up your space. Good job.
Twine.
Twine.
We need a hanger for our little ornament, so you'll get a length of twine.
Just fold it over to make a loop. And then, so this is gonna be like a little lark's head knot, if you like macrame. And I'm gonna send the loop through the back. Yep, just like that. And then feed your ends through the loop.
Ah,
It can go either way, really.
Good.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
that's my kind of macrame right there.
Exactly.
Done.
And then you can decide how long you want it and then tie a little knot at the top.
Like that.
Probably not too long.
Let's do that.
And then snippety snip. Now for the toppings.
Toppings.
So we have a
I
bell
think so, and then this is on
Green.
top.
and a bow.
Yep. So let's do bell first, I agree. Okay.
I think I'm gonna tie it and then add a little glue to secure it in its spot.
So it doesn't wobble.
Yeah. How does that look?
I think so. Yeah.
But I think I'll let it dangle otherwise.
Yeah, that's what I wondered.
What do you think we should add next, Sarah? After you dry your glue.
I wanted it to cool before I touch it again, accidentally. I think we said greenery next.
Greenery. We have a little piece of flocked greenery. I would really love to flock my tree.
Don't do it. We did it and had to throw it away.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It wasn't a good thing. Okay. Then I won't flock my tree.
I'm telling you. Look how cute.
You might want to just glue it in a couple of spots so that it'll kind of stay where you want.
Beautiful.
And now for our bunny ear bow.
Bunny ear bow.
Insert bunny ear bow tutorial right here. Remember how to do it? We're just the same. We're so alike. How did that happen?
Right there.
It's not a good project unless you burn your fingers with the glue.
It's not. I think we've had a great project today.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to angle trim my ends.
Yeah.
Let's see if these do okay. Oh, yeah. that up a little bit. Oh, I love them.
These are adorable.
And they are a treat for the ears as well. We're covering multiple senses here. They're touchy, they're jingly, they're beautiful.
Yeah, they taste good too. No, don't taste them.
Oh no, it's from thrift store. Did you just lick thrift
No,
store sweater?
I didn't actually.
Okay.
No.
Awesome. I love them.
You too.
We're so good.
So you think this might be your favorite?
I think this is my favorite.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have a plethora now
Yes, we
of
have a
Highway 30 ornaments.
collection going on. So last year we started our ornament making adventure, and so we'll put a link down below if you haven't seen those videos from last year. We also have kits to go with those.
Yeah.
And the neat thing about these is we can just send you one. So if you want one of each of the different kinds of ornaments, you don't have to buy a whole box of them, or
Right.
you can order as many as you want. If you want to
exactly
fill
right.
your tree with this, I think these are cute. And more than one would probably look great.
It would, absolutely. They're a nice pop
Yeah.
because they're bright.
I love this. I remember when we were kids, that every year Mom would make a homemade ornament, and we would make enough of them for our classrooms. Do you remember that?
I do remember that.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
think it's fun.
Yeah.
It's a tradition. We love making our own homemade ornaments, and
Yeah.
but I think these look a little, fancy.
They're a little upscale.
Yeah. So,
And they're fashion forward.
and upcycled.
And upcycled.
Exactly.
Yes. Well, we very much enjoyed crafting with you today. So if you have not subscribed, hit that button. And
Yeah, next week we're going to share with you the decorations that we put around our house. So
Yeah.
we hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you next week.
see you next week. Does it smell like fashion? It smells like fashion. It does.
Oh.